How to change the default video playing app on your Xiaomi or Poco phone with Android 15 or Hyper OS 2. I'll show you where to go to find these settings and also tell you exactly what it does. To find these settings, use the quick access, and with the new Hyper OS 2, you'll have a layout that looks like this, and you'll find the settings toggle right there. Once you enter into this section here, go down until you see apps. So you're looking for apps, this here. And within the apps section, you'll notice there is these three dots to the top right. Go ahead and tap on that one time, and you'll see other settings. Within the other settings section, you'll now see default apps. Once in the default apps section, go down and look for the play video one. And currently it's set to not selected as I just got this phone and started installing apps on it. Now, depending on which apps you have on your phone, and you can also get more video playing apps from the Play Store that are free and compatible. So once you're here now, basically by selecting one of these here, you are telling your phone, let's just say you have a video saved on your phone or through a file or a message, and you want to tap on it to play it, and it doesn't require internet. So once you do that, that default player app will open up automatically and play that video for you based on the one you set. And usually it's best to go with the Mi Video one because that would be your Xiaomi own and it's more compatible than any other that's shown here, like in set.